Hey everyone, Lunar New Year is almost here. This year it's on the 12th of February. I just want to share a few new phrases with you related to this holiday. I'll maybe make another video going more in depth what certain things like lucky money or the dragon dance are, but for today I'll only be vocabulary. So let's get started. New Year. Sun Leen. Sun Leen. Sun Leen. Lunar New Year. Long Lik Sun Leen. Long Lik Sun Leen. Long Lik Sun Leen. Lucky money. Lai Si. Lai Si. Lai Si. Firecrackers. Pao Zhang. Pao Zhang. Pao Zhang. Dragon dance. Mo Si. Mo Si. Mo Si. Happy New Year. Sun Leen Fai Lok. Sun Leen Fai Lok. Sun Leen Fai Lok. Year of the Cow. Ngow Leen. Ngow Leen. Ngow Leen.